Here's one for the Mustang fans. 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Real deal Mach 1. There's a Marty report that will go along with it also. Underneath the hood, 351 V8 power. That shaker. Popping through the hood. 351 is paired up with a FMX automatic transmission. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front. Of course, the chin spoiler. Calypso Coral is the original color of this car, as you can see. Still looks much the way it would have back in 1970 when it rolled off the Ford dealer's showroom floor. Interior is vermilion, clarion knit, Corinthian vinyl bucket seats. We're going to check those out in a little bit. If you want to see the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Magnum 500 style wheels. BF Goodrich radials. This car underwent an extensive rotisserie restoration, and it shows. Look how nice and straight this passenger side is. Paint put on very nicely. As you can see, has a nice shine to it. Practically looks like it's wet. Door gap, nice and even. Here's that interior. Like I said, bucket seat, center console. Does have the steering wheel rim blow horn that is working. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the rear of this car. Dual exhaust, front to rear. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the underside. As clean as the top of this car, the engine bay, the interior, all immaculate. And if you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. As you can see, the paint around on the driver's side, as nice as the passenger side. Those panels also nice and straight, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Couple notes from the technician that looked at this one. Brakes are like new front to rear. Does have rotors up front, and it is power steering, power brakes. And again, complete dual exhaust from the front all the way to the rear, where you can see it exit just below the bumper. All right, interior again. Vermilion clarion knit Corinthian vinyl bucket seats. Cool combination with this Calypso Coral exterior. Does have a retro sound radio put in it, so AM, FM radio, and that is working fine. Let's go ahead, get this fired up. The alternator gauge here came up. Fuel gauge coming up. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temperature gauge to be up. And oil pressure. Mentioned that retro sound stereo. Again, that is working. Dash looks good. Take a little closer look at the seats here. Also nice shape, free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner. Of course, the red inlays on the carpet. Mach 1 style. Door closes nicely, and let's listen. Sounds as good as it looks. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. We want to take a look at this engine bay, shaker setup. So let me pause it a second. We're going to get this hood open. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy also, and here it is. Look at this. Engine bay obviously redone at the time of restoration. Heater does work. Heater hoses are hooked up. There's a battery disconnect when it's in between drives or in storage. A good looking engine bay too. And remember, it comes with a Marty report. And you'll see that in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving an orange and black 1970 Ford Mustang with a shaker hood. It's a very nice looking car. This is an automatic right here on the center console. It has a nice sound to it. I don't know if you can hear that idle, but it sounds good. Both our turn signals are working. Firm shifts from the automatic transmission, propelling this car down the road. The fuel gauge is reading a little over a quarter of a tank. The oil pressure is about a third of the way up, and the alternator is charging just over halfway. Speedometer is working. We have a retro sound style digital radio. Factory looking bucket seats in this car. The wipers work, the blower motor also works. Nice road manners. There's a tiny bit of slack in the steering. Not enough to give much trouble. Brakes are working as they should. There's that awesome idle again. Power steering makes it easy to corner. The corner is nice and flat, especially for a 70 Mustang. Now to get the RPMs up a little, it sounds so good. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1970 Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.